Okay, rice cake machine SYP4509. Round shape of 45 and 9 pieces per cycle production. CE, heat and coated mold. And switch box, separate position. So here, the alarm lamp will be added. It's very hot at the first time. Very nice. 네, 잘 나오네. Okay. Okay, so the box here. So this is a set temperature and this is the freezing temperature. You can adjust the temperature like this switches up and down, the left and left, right and set. 4 switches as the same. And the 3 dial controllers. The speed 4.7. Thickness is 30. And depth of pour is 2.5 as the first setting. Pressure around 150 is the breaking number on pressure gauge. After set, check the pressure gauge pressure. You had better close it to use longer. When you want to find the pressure, you can open it and check it. The emergency button. So please press, the machine starts. Okay, this is a sensor for safety cover. 3 solenoid valve to provide electric signal to the machine. The light is moving as per the electric signal and the movement of the mold. And in the standard cylinder here and below is a pressure support valve help to keep the stable pressure. And crystal phase motor and pump. Oil tank and fan. Fan must be on all the time when the mold works. This white rice and brown rice mix is a fitting plate. It's a big, long one. This is over there. It's the probe sensor there. Okay. What is that? Yeah, okay. Probe sensor there is a LED light. When the pressure go forward, it turn off. And come back to the end, it turn off. Turn on again, otherwise you cannot go to the next step. So 2 springs with the fitting plate bring back the fitting plate and drive motor and gear head to make the fitting plate go forward. It's oil valve, it's automatic oil control, and pressure valve and relief valve. Relief valve related with the pressure control. Insert the related wrench, turn clockwise increase pressure, on clockwise decrease pressure. Oil tank. Okay, it's a control box here, inverter, it's a 60 Hz and reset button there, so you can, this machine can use the 50, 60 Hz, it's free. This SSR is a help to keep the temperature stable, and breaker and contactor, relays on PCB brain of this machine, and transformer there, and inside that is a oil tank. 10 liters of high body oil inside. 네. Okay. Okay.